Introducing Crafty Hellebore Layering Die Set. Here's an image of what you could create with this set. On the back, you find the layering guide, which shows step by step how to create each of the 4 hellebore blooms. Over on the side, you're going to see the ink colors used to create the images shown up above. Here's a look at the 8 dies that come in your set. Next, I want to show you the pieces laid out. First, we have the keyhole flower, and these are in the order you'll use them. We have the tall triangle flower. We have the shorter triangle flower. And we have the arrow flower. And let's get ready. We're going to go ahead and put our flowers together. I have my ultra sticky mat and the first keyhole. I'll align keyhole piece number 2. I'll use the keyhole to align piece number 3. And the 4th piece, I'm going to use the keyhole as well. I will use the keyhole again to align the 5th piece. The final piece, I'm going to use the outline shape of that flower center there to complete that flower. Next, we'll begin with the tall triangle. We'll layer together triangle 1 and 2 using the triangle shape. For piece 3, we'll use the triangle shape. Piece 4, we'll use the triangle shape. And I am using liquid glue. The 5th piece, we'll use the triangle shape. And the final piece, we will use the outline of the flower center. Next, we'll use the short triangle to align piece 1 and piece 2. Piece 3, we'll use the triangle. Piece 4, we'll use the triangle. Piece 5, we'll use the triangle. Next, we'll use the outline shape of the flower center to align that. And then we're going to align on that left-hand side for the final piece of this hellebore. And for our last flower, the arrow flower, we'll align piece 2 with piece 1 using the arrow. Piece 3 will align with the arrow. Piece 4 we will align with the arrow. Piece 5 we'll use the arrow. I'm just making sure it's all nice and aligned with my tweezers. Piece 6 we'll use the arrow. The 7th piece we'll use the arrow. The 8th piece, we'll use the outline shape of the flower center to cover up the arrow. And then using the outline shape of the flower center, we'll apply the final piece. And that completes all of our hellebores. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Crafty Hellebore project. Here's some inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Crafty Hellebore and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.